Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Charot. Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make mango graham bar. So this is basically a cousin of the classic mango float that everybody loves. O diba? Kiniklaim ko na. This is a practical summer dessert in the Philippines that is so simple to make yet irresistibly delicious with its creamy filling and sweet mango. Another no-bake dessert that you can whip up in no time. Alright, so in a bowl, first of all, before I forget, the list of ingredients is in the description box below this video, okay? So in a bowl, we're going to pour in heavy cream, condensed milk, and powdered sugar. Yes, I added two kinds of sweetener, but it doesn't mean na sobrang tamis na niya. Okay? Balance, darling, balance. Alright, then after that, after mga like 6 to 8 minutes of whipping, add pureed mango, give it a quick mix, and then salt and a little bit of lemon juice. So again, for the list of ingredients, kindly check the description box as your guideline, okay? Then, once it reach into soft peak, yung nakita nyo, mag-layer tayo ng graham crackers sa 8x8. Ang gamit ko dito with parchment paper. And then, pour in the creamy filling na may pureed na mango. And then, i-level lang natin yan as you can see. And then, add some, you can do sliced, thinly sliced mango or diced, katulad ng nakakita nyo dito. I prefer the diced mango, okay? And then, add another layer on top of graham crackers and that's it. Let it sit in the freezer. I would say like 8 to 12 hours, but for me, 24 hours, okay? Covered in the freezer. I don't know if it's ready pag 8 or 12 hours, but yun na nga for me, 12 hours. Alright? So, it's easier na mayroong parchment paper para mas easy din yung pag-slice or pagkuha sa pan. That's it for today's video, guys. It's so easy to make, so decadent. I really love this recipe. It's so good. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any question, please leave them in the comment section below. Bye!